All right, welcome to Module 3 of the eBay Apprentice Program. In this module, I'm going to show you all about successfully listing an item on eBay. There are a variety of things to take note of when listing an item, and we're actually going to walk through the listing process step by step. I'm going to do an actual demo and actually list an item on eBay for you. Let's look at some listing strategies that we're going to cover. First, we're going to cover the elements of a successful listing. Then we're going to talk about photography and Photoshop tips. We're going to do an actual listing demonstration. And I'm going to share with you some proven listing techniques that boost sales. Now, this is going to be shared with you in the supplement to this course called the eBay Hacks Listing Hacks section of the course. This will be after this course ends. We're going to get into some really advanced listing techniques that can really help you boost your sales, and that can also help you to beat your competition and get much better results in terms of the search engine rankings that eBay gives you. So what are some of the elements of a successful listing? Well, let's get started with that. You want your listings to stand out in a sea of eBay listings. And we're going to share with you exactly how to make your listings stand out. You want your listings to be seen as friendly. You want your visitors to your listing to think of you as a friendly, helpful shopkeeper or storekeeper. In other words, somebody who's there to help them make a purchase and is going to be there all the way through till the item arrives safely at their home. So you want to appear to be friendly in the way you write all of your listings. You also want your listings to communicate, hey, there's no problems here. And if there is, we'll take care of them quickly, So you want your listings to communicate that you are going to be the easiest, friendliest person to work with. And you want your listings to create trust in you as an eBay seller. So you've got to work to develop credibility with your eBay listings. And by doing that, you're going to increase your sales dramatically.